Cordial saludo para todos, mi nombre es Madi Muñoz, estudiante de la UNAD, pertenezco al grupo de inglés, el numeral 123. Esta tarea es para la fase 4, Speaking Tags. A continuación les comparto la actividad. I present the explanation for which the company has been chosen in the exercise of writing the formal letter. The Grupo Éxito Company was chosen because, according to the article I read about polluting the environment, I obtained important details, one of which is that causing damage to nature and therefore to polar bear. That is why it's analyzed. How does this company contribute to pollution in our world? 1. It contributes to global warming, affecting the conservation of nature with unnecessary and single-use plastic in vegetables and fruit. 3. Because they don't have biodegradable packaging. What opinions and demands did you express in the formal letter that was sent to you? The opinion is that we find the need to implement suggestions about unnecessary plastic to Grupo Éxito. I disagree because they don't have been continuing being the contamination. Likewise, I am notified that you agreed to reduce unnecessary amounts of plastic for the preservation of nature. Otherwise, we will initiate expose legal regulatory action against you. Therefore, an ecological solution to the problems of this company is proposing a gradual system to gradually reduce single-use plastic, change the material to biodegradable, impacting the environment in a positive way, preserving the environment and avoiding the loss of bird and polar ecosystem. Thank you.